Hello everyone, this is Ifat of Islam and welcome to my channel Ifat Tech Topic. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install any operating system inside Windows 10. Now we're not gonna replace our existing operating system. Instead, we will create a virtual machine in which our new operating system will run. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the application that we are going to use is VirtualBox. It is created by Oracle and I'll put the link in the description. Just click on this Windows hosts and it will download on your computer. After downloading, run this program as administrator and the setup wizard will appear. Click on next, 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 and click on yes in this running page. Then click on install. It will take a bit to install it fully, and in the meantime your computer may will get disconnected from the network. This is the welcome screen of the VirtualBox, and as an example we'll be installing Windows XP in this virtual machine. And don't worry if you're installing Linux or other operating system in your virtual machine. Just search in the YouTube about how to install the specific operating system that you're installing. First, click on New and give a name to your operating system. I'm typing in WinXP here, and on this type menu, click on Microsoft Windows. And if you're trying to install a Linux operating system, click on Linux. So I'm clicking on Microsoft Windows. The version we're going to use Windows XP 64-bit. Click on 32-bit if you have a 32-bit machine. Now click on next. Now the recommended memory size for Windows XP is 512 megabytes. I'll increase it a bit. Now be wise while choosing the RAM for your virtual machine, because allocating too much RAM on this virtual machine may slow down your main operating system. As I have 16 gigabytes of RAM in my main operating system, I'm choosing 4 gigabytes for this virtual machine, and I'm clicking on next. Now make sure that you have this create a virtual hard disk now is checked. Then click create and make sure this virtual disk image is checked, and then click on next. Make sure that dynamically allocated is checked and click on next. Now in this window, we will be allocating the hard disk for our virtual machine. Again, choose wisely. I'm giving it 20 gigabytes of space and click on create. Now our virtual machine is created. Now click on start to set up an ISO file in the virtual machine. Now you will be asked to select a startup disk, and in this startup disk you'll have to select the ISO file of your operating system. Now I'm clicking on add, and now I'm selecting my Windows XP ISO file. Now assuming that you know how to install an operating system, I'm fast forwarding this part of the video. So that was everything in today's video. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And with that in mind, I'll see you guys in the next video.